How you doing, good people? Raj Maverick here. And we're talking about AI versus human creativity. As you know, in the age of rapid technological advancement, a fascinating battle is unfolding. One that pits the boundless imagination of human creativity against the relentless efficiency of artificial intelligence. So today, we are diving into the battleground, to explore what the rise of AI means for the future of creativity. Can AI enhance our creative expression, or does it threaten to overshadow it? So let's explore. Part 1. I see it as being the dawn of AI creativity. Artificial intelligence has made leaps and bounds, entering realms once thought to be exclusively human. From AI-painted artworks selling for thousands to algorithms composing symphonies, the capabilities of AI in creative fields are expanding. But as AI begins to create, it raises a crucial question. Does the output of an algorithm carry the same weight, the same soul as that of a human artist? That's the question. There's a lot of art that has been created, and we know that the efficiency of AI can really flood these platforms that we have access to. But now, it also raises the capability of an amateur creator who wants to express their art. So what do you place this balance? Part 2 would be the essence of human creativity. What's the true essence of the human creativity? It's not a game, even though it is on the same game console that we are playing this art exhibition of creative mindsets and creative stories. At the heart of every human creation lies an intangible essence, emotion, experience, and the personal touch that AI has yet to replicate. See, human creativity is not just about producing something new. It's about expressing the depth of our emotions, our stories, and our humanity. It's the expression that connects us, that makes art more than just a piece to admire, but something to feel. Part 3. AI and creativity in collaboration. Yet, AI isn't the enemy of creativity. It can be a powerful ally. Imagine a world where AI tools become the brush and canvas for artists. It's offering new ways to express their vision, from digital platforms that use AI to enhance visual storytelling to algorithms that help musicians compose, complex pieces. The potential for AI to augment human creativity is unarguably vast, and the key lies in collaboration, not competition. Part 4 would be how we're navigating the challenges. However, navigating this new landscape comes with its challenges. The rise of AI-generated content has sparked debate on authenticity, copyright, and even the value of art. So as creators, embracing AI means advocating for a balance, leveraging these tools, to push the boundaries of what's possible, while ensuring that the heart of our creations remains undeniably human. So where does this leave us? It's on the brink of a new era in creativity, an era where AI opens doors to uncharted territories of expression, and where human creativity defines the value and meaning of what's created. It's an exciting one. The future isn't about choosing between human creativity or AI, but discovering how they can coexist, to enrich our world. So what's your take on the role of AI in creativity? Are we looking at a future of a limitless expression or a loss of the human touch? Share your thoughts below, and let's keep the conversation going. If you're intrigued by the intersections of technology and creativity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's navigate the evolving landscape of content creation. And until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and stay inspired.